In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove users on Monday.com. We're going to walk through how to deactivate a user from your Monday.com account so they no longer have access, without deleting any of their work or data. This is really useful when a teammate leaves your organization or no longer needs access to your workspace, but you still want to keep their tasks, updates, and history intact. First, make sure you're logged into Monday.com with an account that has admin permissions. Only admins can manage users this way. Once you're in, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture or initials there. Go ahead and click on that. When you click your profile picture, a menu will open. From this menu, choose the option labeled Administration. This will take you into the admin area where you can control settings for your entire account, including users, security, and billing. It might take a second to load, especially if you have a large account, so just give it a moment if needed. Inside the administration area, look for the section called Directory, and then select Users. This is your full user list, showing everyone who currently has access to your Monday.com account, along with their status, role, and other details. You can use the search bar or filters here if you have a lot of users and need to quickly find a specific person. Next, locate the user you want to remove. Once you've found them in the list, look to the right side of their name. You'll see a small three-dot menu icon, often represented as 3 vertical or horizontal dots. Click on that 3-dot menu to open up the actions available for that user. From the options that appear, select Deactivate User. When you do this, Monday.com will immediately revoke their access to the account. They won't be able to log in or interact with any boards, but all the items, updates, and work they were involved in will remain safely in place. This is important for keeping a clear history of who did what and when, especially on shared projects. Before you finish, double-check that you've selected the correct person, since deactivating a user affects their access across your entire Monday.com workspace. If you ever need to, you can usually come back to the same area and reactivate them later, depending on your plan and settings. And that's it. By following these steps, you can cleanly and safely remove users from Monday.com while preserving all of your team's work.